Alright, so if you have a broken blind like this, did you know it's actually pretty difficult to fix these? There's not a really good solution. There's a few things online that you can do, like cut out a piece of plastic, put it over there, but I actually have the best one. Okay, so if you go to Amazon and you purchase these, they're basically these little stickers, and here's the description. There's these little stickers that of plastic that you fold over here and you stick it on there. Now this is a great idea because the shape is perfect, and it's thick plastic, relatively thick, and it'll actually work. Once you stick it up in the blinds, it'll actually hold really well. The problem is these stickers don't hold, so this always comes off. So I've used them in the past, stuck these on here, and then 2 days later I'll see this on the ground because the sticker just came off. So I'm going to show you a way to use these, but in a way that's super effective and they'll never come off. And all you got to do is crazy glue. So when you put this on, I'll show you. I'll do one right now. All you gotta do is pour, 3 or 4 drops of crazy glue on each side, on here. After you peel the little sticky off, then put it on there, press it, and hold it. And then once it dries, this ain't coming off. So let me show you how that works. All right, so I just peeled it off, and this is the sticky side. So the sticky side is up, and then just gonna pour. You don't really want it to go. You don't want to put a ton of it because you don't want it to go everywhere, because you're actually gonna press this on, and you don't want crazy glue coming out the sides. But you do want to get both sides. So see, basically just went all the way around, and then I'm going to slap that on there, and I'm actually put a clamp on it to hold it until it dries up. Okay, so I just laid it on there, lined it up, and now I'm just going to pull that side and flip it over. Okay, so now we got to press it because it's not laying down flat. Alright, so you could do whatever you want. You could put a rock on there, whatever you got to just lay down flat. I have this clamp that's used for like woodwork. I just literally laid it on top, and it's gonna stick a little, so I'm gonna take it off to make sure it doesn't stick to the crazy glue. Let's see. All right, so I just took it off just to make sure that it doesn't stick. And then I'm gonna slide it back on and just let it sit there till it dries, and that should be good. I'll show you what it's like after. All right, so I'm just gonna let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, make sure it's completely dry, and then we'll come back and check it out. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes and this thing is solid as a rock. So the crazy glue, I don't know why it's all dirty. It's obviously from the clamp. Must have been dirty when I put it on there. But anyway, yeah, if you don't want this to happen, just make sure you're clamping it with something clean. So now this is on there solid. I mean, you can feel it. It's almost like it's molded on there. This is not coming off. And then what I did too, just to make it easier, I got some those pliers, and I just kind of pressed down right here just to make this a little flatter, because this is where it's gonna slide into and connect, or it's gonna push through the little clip over there. So I just made this a little thinner, so I just clamped down on it with some needle nose. You can see it's a little thinner now, so it should slide in there easy. But now I'm gonna clean this up because that's gonna look nasty in my house. But this is on there solid, so that's it. Pretty simple. Just use some of these little pads that you get on Amazon. They're super cheap, and then put some crazy glue on it, clamp it down, and good as new. All right, man, let me know if this worked for you.